So let us understand min heap and max heap with few examples. Okay. So here the input string that I have is in which elements are 10, 20, 30, 1, 2, 3, 4, 11, 21 and 41. So I will have to construct the min heap for these elements. Okay. So before creating min heap, I want to revise that in case of min heap, the root element is always minimum, and in case of max, the root is always maximum. Okay. And before constructing, first point is always start inserting element from its left side, and before going into level 2 we have to complete the previous level or level 1. Before going to level 1, level 0 must be complete, and before going into level 2, level 1 should be complete. Okay, so let us start with first element, that is 10. So 10 will be here. Next, after 10 we have 20. 20 will be inserted here. So it is okay because it is a property of min heap that the root element is always minimum, so it is okay for that. And after 20 we have next element is 30. For 30 it is here, so it is okay for 30. And up to this point the tree is min heap because the root element is minimum as compared to its children's. Okay, so after 30 the next element is 1. So 1 will be inserted to the left of this in the level 2. Okay, so after 1 we have, before 1 I am checking here that the root element which is 20, and condition is root element should be minimum. So for that I have to perform the interchange of 1. Okay, means 1 will be shifted to here. So the resultant tree will become 10, 1, 20 and 30. Now it is okay, but at this point still one interchange is possible because 1 should be less than 10, but here is the case that the position of 1 should be up to here. So let us perform that interchange. After performing the interchange, the elements will be like this. Okay. So after 1, the next element to be inserted in the tree is 2. Okay, and the 2 will be inserted at this position 1, 10, 20. So its right is free, and I have to insert 2 here, and to this side we have 30. Okay, so after 2 we have next element is 3. So 3 will be inserted at, but before inserting that 3 here I am facing the issue. Let us rewind. 2 here, check here. His condition is the root should be minimum, but the case is root is maximum, so I have to perform the interchange here. Okay, so after performing the interchange, the resultant tree will be 2, 10 and 20, and to this side is 30. Okay, interchange. So after this step, the next element is 3. Okay, so 3 will be inserted here. So again I have to perform interchange because 30 is greater than 3. So again interchanging, and the resultant tree will be 1, 2, 3, 30, and here 20 and 10 remain same. Okay, So after this 3, the next element is 4. So 4 will be inserted at this position, and it is okay for that because the root element, which is 3, is less than 4 and 30. So after 4, next element is 11. Okay, so 11 will be inserted here, but now 11 is minimum, so I have to perform the interchange. Okay, so after performing the interchange, the resultant tree that I will get is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 11, 20, 10. 1 second. 2, 3, and here I have to perform 10. Okay, and here 11, 20, and this position we have 30, and 30 to left is, and 3 to left is 3 and 4. Okay, so after 11, next element is 21. 21 will be inserted to the this point to the right of 11, and after 21, and it is okay because the 11 is minimum to 21, so it is okay for that. Next is 41, so 41 will be inserted at this position. Okay, so this is the resultant mean heap. Resultant mean heap for the given input. Okay, so I am repeating here. In minimum heap, each root node is minimum to its children's, and if I check there, every root element is minimum. 1 is minimum. Okay, so it is okay. Let us compute a min heap tree with one more example, and for that elements are 70, 60, 50, 70, 60, 50, 40, 30, 20 and 10. Before constructing a min heap, I will construct a max heap for the given data or given input. So for constructing the max heap, the root element should be maximum to its children. So first element is 70, so next element is 60. So 60 will be inserted at left. Let us check the condition. The root is maximum. Okay, it is okay for that. The next is 50. The 50 will be inserted at to the right. So again I will check the condition that the root element is maximum or not. It is maximum, so it is okay. After that we have 40. So 40 will be inserted to the left of 60. I will check for the property of max heap. So the root element, which is 60, is maximum, then it is okay for that. After that we have 30. 30, same condition, root is maximum, it is okay. After that we have 20, same, 50 is maximum, then 20, then it is okay for the max heap. After that we have 10, so again it is okay. Okay, so this is the max heap for the given data or given input string. Okay, in max heap, the root node is always maximum as compared to children's. So let us construct min heap and find how many interchanges it will require to construct a min heap for the given input. So for constructing the min heap, I will start with the first element, which is 70. Okay, 70 will be here. After that we have 60. But after inserting 60 and following the property of min heap, that the root node should be minimum, so I have to perform the interchange. Okay, so one interchange is here, sorry, plus one interchange. Just write it as plus 1 interchange. Okay, so after 60, next element is 50. Okay, so 50 will be inserted at this position, but when I check the condition for the min heap, I have to perform the interchange here. Okay, so after interchanging, 50 will be go here, 50, 70, then 60. Okay, so after 50 we have 40, so 40 will be inserted here, but we have to maintain the min heap, so I have to perform the interchange here. 50, then the 40 will came here, 70, then we have 60. Okay, so after performing interchange, it again required one more interchange because 40 is minimum as compared to 50, so I have to perform the interchange again, and 40 will came here, and here I will have 50, and here 60, and to the left of this is 70. Okay, so after 40 the next element is 30. 30 I will insert it here, but again I have to perform the interchange. The resultant will be 40, 30, 70, 70, 50 and 60. Okay, so after inserting 30, there is also one more interchange required. Okay, so after interchanging, the resultant tree will be 30, 40, 60, 70, 50. Okay, after 30 we have 20. 20 I will insert it here, but after inserting I have to perform interchange. Okay, so after interchanging, the resultant tree will be 30, 40, 20, 60, 70 and 50. Again I have to perform interchange because 20 is minimum and it is the property of min heap that the root node should be minimum. So after inserting 20, the resultant tree will be 20, 30, 60, 40, 70 and 50. Okay, so after 20 the next element is 10. So when I insert 10 to the right of 30, again I have to perform interchange, and after performing the interchange 10 will go to here, so I am adding it directly here. 10 will add it here and 30 will come to this position. Okay, 30 will become to this position. Okay, then after this again I have to perform interchange because 20 is maximum. So after performing that interchange, the 10 will be go here, 10 and 20 will come to this position. Okay, so this is the final heap, mean heap that I am getting, and total number of interchanges that it will require is, I have to calculate the total number of interchanges. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 3 interchanges here. Total number of interchanges are 10 interchanges that the construction of this min heap tree required. Okay, so final heap tree, min heap tree is this one. Okay, so what will happen if I will delete the element 10 here? So when I will delete the element 10, then the thing is, what will happen to the min heap after deleting the 10, 40 we have 70, then 50, 20, 60 and 30. Okay, when I will delete 10, then what will happen? Then the rightmost element will move to this position. Okay, the resultant will be 30, 40, 70, 50, 20 and 60. So when I am getting this tree, so I have to perform one interchange here, because 20 is go to upper side, 20 will go to the root, and the resultant tree after deleting 10 will be this. Okay, so one interchange it will required after deleting 10 to construct min heap. So this is all about the min heap and maxi. Okay, thank you.